Okay. Hey YouTube, I'm back. Yep. Got this RC helicopter. That is American Express, if you can read that. I just am not able to get a remote for it. Got this, on the side of the road, you know. Anyways, like, that's just that. It says, see if you can read that. You can't read that. This says American Express. Okay. Now, I was like all this after I took that apart. See? Now, it has like this and then so I can spin it. But when I switch the doesn't do anything. So I was wondering if you guys could get me a remote, and in the meantime, hopefully you guys can find that out. Peace. See ya. Okay, hey you guys out there. Well, I just got this helicopter here, and I've had it for a while, and I was just wondering if any of you know where I can buy a remote for it. It is an American Express, that's what that says. Yeah. I was just wondering if any of you guys can find a remote for it. It's kind of like this. Hold on. You know, when you take that off, and I'll say all this, which down and spin, and then there's the on and off switch right here. And then when I flip that, it doesn't do anything because I needed a remote. So, anyways, I was wondering if you guys could find a remote for it. Peace. See ya.